Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a remote starter installed on Range Rover Sport 2016. We've used the Compustar 2-mile range 1-button 2-way remote. So we're going to hold the start button. We have the green light to command to show us that the vehicle has received the command. In a few seconds the car will start and will be running. The vehicle will be running for a preset of time. In this case we've set it for 15 minutes. You're going to have a confirmation on the remote that the car is actually started, and every few seconds we're going to have a reminder that the car is still running. All you have to do is just leave your heating setting properly the way you want it, and then you're going to have everything warm up when you come to the vehicle. For remote starters for Rovers and other vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.